Hi, I'm Anne. This video is about plastic snaps, these ones. They're also called poppers or snap fasteners, and they're often used in baby stuff like reusable diapers or the closures of bibs or vests or dresses, or even on bow ties, duvet covers. You see them on a lot of accessories like little pouches, and they're really easy to use. You need pliers to squeeze them on your project, and you have a lot of options in colors. They exist in every color you would like. There are different sizes, different shapes. They're easy to open and close, even for children. They stay firmly on your garment or on your project, and it's even hard to get them off if you misplace them. So let's go and have a look on how to use these. I'm using the standard snap size, which is size 20 or sometimes called T5. The cap of these snaps is 1/2 inch in diameter. To attach a snap to a project, you will need specific pliers that are made for these snaps. And the plier I have has 3 different divots and 2 different rods, so you can use them for different sizes of snaps. To make one snap, you need 4 parts: 2 caps, a stud, and a socket. To attach a snap, you have to put the prong through the fabric, the prong of the cap. So you poke a hole with that prong, or you use an awl. Put it through the fabric, attach a stud on the other side of the fabric, then take your pliers, place the cap in the divot and the rod with the plastic on the stud and squeeze. The prong will be flattened by the rod. One side of the snap is now attached. Now do the same thing for the other end. Poke a hole, put the prong through, and place the socket on the prong. Face the hole of the socket away from the fabric towards the stud and squeeze. If you want to remove a snap, you have to break the snap. You can use your pliers for this. Just turn the pliers sideways on the snap and squeeze to break the seal between the 2 parts. So that's all I wanted to share with you today about these snaps. If you have any questions, just send me an email, write a comment, and if you want to subscribe to our channel, click the button here. Snap!